Hi everyone, this is the preview of my project, so let's get started. So I'm using this mixed media paper, then I'm using this stencil which is from Hero Arts, and this molding paste. I know a lot of people asked about the other neon color molding paste. I don't know the name of this brand. I purchased like I think it came with six colors, and I purchased it from Tuesday morning long back, and I just thought it's a acrylic paint, and I bought it. But then I saw that it is a molding paste, colored molding paste. So I'm using that in this project. So here I'm using distress oxides, which is two colors, that is, one is wild honey, the other one is abandoned coral. I'm going to first put the wild honey distress oxide, and then I'm going to spray some water. So the thing is, I waited too long and then I sprayed water, so it showed some marks on the background. Then I added some more drops and then sprayed water. I'm going to leave those marks as it is so that it will look like a different texture. Now I'm adding the other color, which is abundant coral, and then I'm going to spray some water and spread it out. So I keep adding some drops of distress oxide and then water, so then I can control um, the color and spread it out. Now I'm using watercolor paint and mixing it in that. Now I'm adding again distress oxide. Then I'm going to dry this now. Then I'm again adding some watercolor paints in this. I'm adding different colors of watercolor paint in this. Then now I'm going to dry the whole thing. Then I'm going to use this stamp, which is from the Essentials Studio Light. Then I'm going to use this red archival ink and stamp on the sides of the page. Now I'm going to dry it. Then I'm using this gold pen and I'm going to just scribble. So this gives like a texture in the background. Now I'm going to see which focal point I want to use. So I'm going to try different ones. First I'm going to dry this. Then I'm going to put this as a focal point. So now you can see that it suits perfectly for this background. I like the background. It is nice and bright and it matches this focal point. You can see the picture in the close-up. So now I'm going to put this coat and then I'm going to finish this project. So now before I finish this project, I'm going to use this white acrylic ink and splatter on the top. Then I'm going to finish this project. So I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. So you can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye.